Hello, I am Dr. K.K. Misra from R Classes. Welcome to my channel. Kindly do subscribe if you like this video tutorial, which is on multiple choice questions on Strategic Human Resource Management SHRM Part 5. This I have been compiling in view of the examinations which are scheduled to be held very soon for MBA final year students. I hope that all of you will find this video tutorial on set of questions, multiple choice questions useful. Now directly come to the questions. Question number 1. Quality goals require alignment with options are A. Production, B. Human resources, C. Finance, D. Purchase. Correct option is B. Human resources. Question number 2. Demand for human resources and management is created by options are A. Expansion of industry, B. Shortage of labor, C. Abundance of capital, D. Consumer preferences. Correct option is A. Expansion of industry. Question number 3. Management function arises as a result of options are A. Consumer preferences, B. Abundance of capital, C. Expansion of industry, D. Shortage of labor. Correct option is B. Abundance of capital. Now move to next slide. Question number 4. Human resource management is primarily concerned with options are A. Sales, B. Dimensions of people, C. External environment, D. Cost discipline. Options from among the options, correct option is B here, dimensions of people. Question number 5. Human resource management aims to maximize employees as well as organizational. Options are A. Effectiveness, B. Economy, C. Efficiency, D. Performativity. Correct option is A. Effectiveness. Question number 6. The difference between human resource management and personnel management is options are A. Insignificant, B. Marginal, C. Narrow, D. Wide. Correct option is D. Wide. Question number 7. Human resource management function does not involve. Options are A. Recruitment, B. Selection, C. Cost control, D. Training. Correct option is C. Cost control. Now move to next slide. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large, correct options are highlighted here in this video tutorial. I have made it as a ready reckoner or for quick review for you in view of your examinations, so that you don't have to put in time in search for correct options. Now question number 8. Which one is not the specific goal of human resource management? Options are A. Attracting applicants, B. Separating employees, C. Retaining employees, D. Motivating employees. Correct option is B. Separating employees. Question number 9. Identify which one is an added specific goal of human resource management. Options are A. Retraining, B. Learning, C. Unlearning, D. Separating. Correct option is A. Retaining. Now question number 10. Identify the topmost goal of human resource management. Options are A. Legal compliance, B. Competitive edge, C. Workforce adaptability, D. Productivity. Correct option is D. Productivity. Now move to next slide. Question number 11. To achieve goals, organizations require employees. Options are A. Control, B. Direction, C. Commitment, D. Cooperation. Correct option is C. Commitment. Let me tell you viewers, if you like this video tutorial useful, please do not forget to subscribe and press on bell button and forward it to your friends so that they can be benefited by this video tutorial. Please do press bell button of my YouTube channel. Now question number 12. Human resource management helps improve. Options are A. Production, B. Productivity, C. Profits, D. Power. Correct option is B. Productivity. Question number 13. The amount of quality output for amount of input means. Options are A. Productivity, B. Production, C. Sales increase, D. Increase in profits. Correct option is A. Productivity. Now question number 14. Responding to employees and involving them in decision making is referred to as. Options are A. Quality of work life, B. Autonomy, C. Empowerment, D. Precaution. Correct option is A. Quality of work life. Now move to next slide. Question number 15. The main challenge for modern organizations is. Options are A. To remain ahead of the talent developments in the market, B. To retain the talent they have to realize that talented people are the real wealth of the organization, C. To find ways to poach talent wherever they can find it, D. None of the above. It is applied one. If you compare, you will find B to be the correct option. To retain the talent they have to realize that talented people are the real wealth of the organization. Now question number 16. Talent management is. Options are A. In essence about a contract between the organization and the employee, B. Also taking into account other factors that unlock value in the business, C. A combination of hard and soft issues including the psychosocial contract and taking the new economy into account, that is the knowledge based economy, D. All of the above. Correct option here is C. A combination of hard and soft issues including the psychosocial contract and taking the new economy into account, that is the knowledge based economy. Now move to next slide. Question number 17. Key factors in skills development and talent management are. Options are A. A broad definition of talent to ensure inclusivity, B. Finding a balance between staff and development and making staff more employable, C. Compliance with the EE Act, D. Both A and B. Correct option is D. Both A and B. Question number 18. Most organizations for talent management, options are will have the same skills requirements for jobs in the future as jobs do not change much, B. Experience a more disengaging workforce who are less loyal, C. Are effective in measuring performance and productivity, D. Have effective and proactive talent management strategies. Correct option is B. Experience a more disengaging workforce who are less loyal. Now move to next slide. Question number 19. Trends in talent management include. Options are A. An increase in post-high school training and education in the future, B. Management and leadership skills are seen as most valuable to modern and competitive organizations, C. Teaching jobs are very difficult to fill, D. All of the above. So it is D. All of the above. Question number 20. Benefits of talent management include. Options are A. Strategic hiring process. B. Improved onboarding experience. C. Retain top talent. D. All of the above. So correct option is D. All of the above. So this was all about this video tutorial. Let me tell you that this is the last video tutorial of SHRM. Now the other subjects will be taken up and you will find another good content on other different subjects. For more video tutorials on quantitative techniques, operations research, along with tough interview questions and personality development and soft skills are available on my YouTube channel R Classes. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell button. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.